Gelatin is a common ingredient in jello, pudding, mousse, gummy candies, and much more. Sheets and powder are the two most common forms that gelatin comes in. Let's take a look at the two different forms this ingredient comes in. What is gelatin? Gelatin is an ingredient used in foods that is colorless and flavorless. When added to desserts, it works as a thicker stabilizer. When dry, it is brittle, however, when it gets wet it becomes rubbery. What is it made of? Gelatin is made of collagen, which is derived from animal bones, joints, and connective tissues. So, it is not vegetarian or vegan-friendly. However, there are some vegan-friendly substitutes for gelatin, including agar-agar and also pectin. Common desserts that use it. It includes pudding, mousse, jello, and marshmallow. It is also an ingredient in gummy bears and other gummy candies. It is sometimes an ingredient in ice cream, yogurt, soups, whipped cream, and cakes. The difference between gelatin sheets versus gelatin powder. Gelatin sheets and gelatin powder are quite different in their forms, but they both work as a thickener in foods. Both varieties are available at most grocery stores, as well as baking stores, and online as well. Gelatin sheets come from dried gelatin that is in the form of a flat sheet. To use them, submerge them in a bowl of cold water for about 5 minutes and then add them to warm water or liquid to dissolve. They will be ready to be used in any dessert. Gelatin powder is dried up and then ground up into individual grains. It often comes in individual packets for easy use. Powdered gelatin should be added to cold water for 5 to 10 minutes to activate it. What are gelatin sheets used for? When working with the sheets, be careful as they are delicate. It is often best to lay them side by side in a pan of water to help prevent them from tearing. Can you substitute powdered gelatin for gelatin sheets? Yes, you can substitute powdered gelatin for gelatin sheets. Though the preparation may vary slightly, the result in the recipe will be the same. Both of them will work just as well for your baking and cooking purposes. Be sure to store your gelatin, both sheets and powder, in a cool, dry place. Keep it away from the light, heat, and humidity to keep it fresh. When properly stored, it can last for several years due to its unique nature. Tips and tricks. Before you get baking, it is good to understand the differences between gelatin sheets versus gelatin powder. Both come from collagen, which is derived from pig and cow bones, tissue, and joints. It works as a thickener as well as a stabilizer when properly added to dishes. Many professionals prefer the sheets as they provide an excellent transparent, tasteless, and clean set. However, the powder option can be used interchangeably with the sheets. Both will work in the same way, however, they may need different preparation before dissolving to use in your dish. Do you have any questions regarding gelatin sheets versus gelatin powder? If so, please let us know in the comment section. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.